Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the iPhone is unlocked and running the latest iOS. This avoids menu differences. Next, open Settings and tap Screen Time. This is where content and privacy live. If you use a screen time passcode, keep it ready because you will need it to change restrictions. Otherwise, prepare to authenticate with your Apple ID. Once done, you'll see content and privacy restrictions. We're about to access those switches, so you can turn restrictions off quickly and safely. You now tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and look for the master toggle at the top. Flip it off to disable all enforced limits in one step. If the iPhone asks, enter your screen time passcode or authenticate with your Apple ID. This prevents unauthorized changes. After turning the master switch off, make sure to inspect allowed apps and content restrictions to confirm settings reverted. This helps you verify that messages, Safari, or other services are no longer blocked. Finish by returning to the home screen and testing an app or a setting that was restricted to confirm access is restored. This verifies the change worked. If the toggle is grayed out, make sure the device isn't supervised or managed by a company profile. Check Settings, General VPN, and Device Management. If you can't authenticate because you forgot the screen time passcode, use the Reset option with your Apple ID or contact the device administrator. This resolves most lockouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.